If you like this video and you want to see more of it, click subscribe, ring the bell, and leave a message down below. And share this with anybody you feel would get some value of it, whether they're thinking about moving to the area or moving somewhere different in the area, because I'm going to show you everything Polk County has to offer. How we doing, my friends? Today we're here to see the Eclipse, another home in our key collection with Lennar here in Polk County. This is a 5-bedroom, 3 full bath, 2-story home with a 2-car garage, and it's 2,451 square foot. A ton of space. I can't wait to turn this camera around and show it to you. I'm Big George, your new home consultant here in Polk County. I live in Polk County. I've worked in Polk County for over 3 years. I've helped hundreds of buyers seamlessly get to the end of their transaction and get into their home. And I'm here to do the same thing for you. So let's turn this camera around and check out the Eclipse. So how is that, my friends? The Eclipse, 5-bedroom, 3 full bath, 2-story, 2-car garage, 2,451 square foot, and just a ton of open space. I hope you enjoyed that. And if you'd like to come on out and see one of these homes in our communities here in Polk County, give Big George a call, 727-542-7773. Call me directly and we'll get you set up. I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a great day.